Increasingly, organizations store the assets they use for their social marketing activities in cloud-based storage services like Google Drive. Users of cloud-based services can access these assets directly from the Hootsuite dashboard, making content sharing even easier. To get going, you'll first need to install your chosen app from the Hootsuite app directory. Hootsuite integrates with services like Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive for Business, and Adobe Experience Manager. Once you've installed the app, follow the prompts to connect your account with your Hootsuite dashboard. With this step complete, you'll be taken to Content Sources underneath the Publisher tab, where you can view your files and folders. This is one of 3 places where you can access your cloud assets in the Hootsuite dashboard. The second is within the Compose box. And the third is as a stream in the engagement view. A stream for your cloud assets is added automatically when you install the app. Position the stream exactly where you want it within the tab, or create additional streams by selecting Apps, then your cloud storage service. You can search your storage in the stream, create new folders, or upload assets. Insert assets directly into the Compose box by clicking the paperclip, or share a direct link to a file, which is useful when sharing Google Forms, PDFs, or slide decks, as the link will remain stable even as you continually update these documents. The stream view is also useful for gathering user-generated content. If you see an image you like, simply save it, click Uploads, then drag into Drive. A third way to attach cloud assets to an outgoing social post is from within the Compose box itself. Simply click the paperclip, Cloud Storage tab, and then select the compatible file format you want to add.